By clicking on this link, you can earn up to $250 with just one click. It's just that easy. First, you have to create an account by signing up with Google. After you've done that, you want to click on this button that says Open Case right here. After you do that, you have the chance to win up to $250 in cash. What you're doing is spinning a roulette to see how much money you can win. And then after that, you can directly withdraw your money straight to your PayPal account. You can see all these different options of prize money that you can win. Before I show you how to do that and more, I first want to welcome you to Cashflow Worldwide, where we show you the many different ways that you can make money online. Please subscribe and click the like button, as well as the notification bell, so you are notified every time we upload a new video teaching you how to make money online. Alright, let's get back to the video. So, I will be showing you two different methods in today's video to show you how you can earn PayPal money completely for free with just a click of a button. So like I just showed you, you can make up to $250 just with 4 clicks. And you can do this in any country all across the world. This is also completely free to do, and it takes literally less than 1 minute. Now, I want to show you exactly how you can do this. So the website you want to go to is called freecash.com, but don't go there. You want to click on the first link in the description below this video to be able to spin the roulette and potentially win $250. And this is completely free to do. And the only way to do this is to sign up through a link where someone will refer you. And that's exactly what my link is. My link will refer you to this website, which will allow you to be able to make up to $250 completely for free just with 1 click. I will earn 5% out of whatever you make since I referred you, and you can do the same thing to as many people as you want as well. All you have to do is get your referral link and send it to anyone you like. So this is how much I made when I did my roulette spin. But now I want to show you a secret little hack. So the first thing you need to do is click on the link in the description below this video. And then it'll redirect you to a page that says sign up for free, and then you will want to click on sign up with Google. After that, you select your Gmail account you want to use to sign up. And what's great is that you can keep using this roulette with every new Gmail account that you use. So you can keep testing your luck to see how much money you can win. So now you can see that I've got my account. So now I'm going to try right now and see how much money I can win. So now you can see how it works, and it shows that this involves literally the least amount of work to potentially earn $250. So the other thing that this site offers are other ways for you to actually earn money. And this site runs on a point system where 1,000 points equals $1. So what you want to do is go up here to where it says earn and click on it. This will provide you with all these different tasks that you can complete to earn money. And as you can see, it shows how much money you can earn per task. And each of these have different numbers of points, which will pay you a different amount of money. So if you complete all these tasks, you can easily make several $100s. So the next thing you want to do in order to cash out the money that you earned is you will want to go up here and click on cash out. And then it'll show you all the different methods you can use to withdraw your cash. You can use PayPal, or you can use several different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or even Dogecoin. So now I'm going to show you the second way that you can earn free money on PayPal just by clicking. The website is called entireweb.com. EntireWeb is similar to Google in that it's also a search engine, but since they're at the early stages of their company and still very much a startup, they have a rewards program to incentivize people to go to their website and click. Their goal is to get many more clicks by many more people in order to get people to visit their website and earn some money. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the 3 lines up top on their homepage. After you click that, then you're going to want to click on affiliate. You will then be redirected to this page where it'll say that you can earn up to 20 cents for every click, or $10 for every 50 clicks. It's just that easy. I'm going to also show you some tips and tricks in order to make as much money as possible, so make sure you don't skip any part of this video and stay to the very end. This will enable you to systematize this in a way that will create passive income for you over time. Here, you can see that you'll be able to get paid for every single click, and this is doable for anyone in any country all across the world. After you've completed doing this, you can use PayPal to cash out your earnings. There are other payment methods that you can choose to use if you don't want to use PayPal, and you will get paid on a monthly basis. Every transaction will be conducted through US dollars when you put your PayPal email in. Entire Web functions similar to how Google functions, in that you can simply just search for anything you want in the search bar, and it'll provide you with a variety of different resources related to your search. So whatever keywords to use in your search, Entire Web will provide you with a variety of different related resources. So as an example, let's say I searched for money making. It will then provide me with hundreds of different search results related to money making. Through this process, we are now promoting these different websites or affiliates in their terminology. This will help them when trying to complete their mission in gaining trust from site visitors. This will enable you to earn money through this process. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and like the video if you haven't already. Also, be sure to click the notification bell to be notified whenever a new money-making video is posted. Okay, let's get back to the video. Another important thing to mention is that you will earn good money whenever you refer someone to this website. So just imagine if you were to refer hundreds or even thousands of different people to this website. That would result in you making a lot of money. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can sign up. You want to click on this button right here to get started. You'll then be redirected to this page where you'll fill out all of your personal information and read and agree to the terms and conditions in order to complete your sign up. Once you've completed signing up, you'll then be taken to your personal dashboard for your brand new account. Before you can get started with your new account, you are going to want to first secure your unique link. This is the link where whenever someone clicks on it, you will make money. So the next thing you'll want to do is use a very standard script in order to promote your unique link. You can either write your own script or simply search for an already written affiliate script on Google by searching affiliate scripts. I do encourage you to write your own script, as this will be a good investment in your future with this website. To do that, just open a blank Google Doc, write your script, and then click on download and then click PDF document. This will download the PDF document to your computer for you to use for the next website we will be visiting. So now we're going to take a look at our next website. This website is called slideshare.net. This is where we're going to create a post with our written script, which includes our unique link. The reason why you want to upload your script to this website is that millions of people from all around the world view the many uploaded documents on this website. Essentially, it's a platform for people to promote their link and get traffic sent to their link completely for free. It's a fantastic way to promote your link completely for free and get thousands of people to look and click on it every single day. In order to create your own account, click on this button right up here. Once you create your account, then you will want to select your document to upload and title it something catchy in order to incentivize people to click on and open it. In order to upload your document, just click on this button right here. That's all you need to do. After you've completed all these steps, the only thing you need to do is just sit back and wait for the money to roll in. This is very much a win-win situation for everyone involved, because EntireWeb.com will get more customers, and the customers will be able to answer their questions and solve their problems by searching for anything they want on EntireWeb.com. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you want to watch similar content like this about how to make money online, click on this video right here.